Hello traders, welcome to another video. My name is Andy Demi, and today we are going to be speaking about Forex, and in particular we're going to be looking at the GBP USD chart, so the cable chart, so that we can make a prediction of where the market's going next. Now, if you are new to our channel, guys, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you don't miss future videos. And if you're enjoying our content, please hit the like button. It would really help us out to get it out to more people. So we really appreciate all of your support, and do comment, guys. I ask for this all the time. Ask questions. I'm here to support you. Now, with that being said, guys, I want to get straight into this, okay? And I'm looking at the cable chart because I think it's quite an interesting chart. We've spoken about this before. And, you know, there's a couple of ways of looking at this, okay? So one of the ways that we can look at it is that, by the way, I don't know if you can hear some background music. I've got a little bit of like chill out music just to get my state in a good place. I always find music is great. You know, if you're feeling a little bit sluggish, a little bit tired, you know, it can change your state. So that's why you might be able to hear some background music. But anyway, now there's two ways of looking at this, right? One way is the way that we're looking at it right here, which is, hey, we've gone to the bottom of this channel, and you know, every other time, you know, when the market has gone back to the bottom of this channel, when this pen loads up, I'll kind of draw it out. It makes it a bit clearer. Essentially, you know, the market likes to bounce. So, you know, you can see we started this kind of lower boundary channel around there, and you know, that's pretty close. And you know, we're kind of drawing this line across the lows. You know, you could also just, you know, double this up and put it across the bodies there as well. So you can see that, you know, this is reacting very nicely. So you may say, well, that looks quite bullish. Now, obviously, you can see at the moment this week, on the flip side, you know, we could have a look at the levels and we could have a slightly different perspective. So what's happened is, you know, using our automated level, you can see the market has basically reacted on that level and created this high test. So for a lot of people, you know, you might be kind of looking at this and thinking, well, hold on a minute, you know, that's a rejection bar. You know, that's a rejection bar. And so maybe we could be going lower, right? And maybe we could be going down to this area here. So there's nothing invalid about that kind of thought process, okay? Now, what we need is we need the market to kind of show us. But there's a couple of little things I want to show you guys that are maybe like the nuances that some, you know, maybe newer traders miss. And if I just kind of delete these lines here, so we just have a nice clearer picture. One of the things that I like to study is, like, you know, look at the price action here. Okay, look at the price action. You see, in previous times, the market's kind of gone up quite aggressively and then has come down quite aggressively, hasn't it? Right, and then this was kind of like a bit of sideways and then gone down quite aggressively, gone up. So this is a pure range. One thing that's slightly different this time is this market has gone up, but the way it's come down has not been as strong up to now. So that's kind of bullish, in my opinion, and that you could definitely say there are signs that this could be a flag, right? And a flag is basically bullish, right? If you're kind of doing the whole pattern thing, you're going to take that distance, and then once this flag breaks, you're going to be looking at a major move higher, right? I mean, we're far away from that, so we're not really worrying about that too much. But, you know, if you kind of look at the way that the market has been going down, I can definitely see, you know, trending down, and then we have this big move up, okay, and then we take out and we trend down again, take out the lows, and then we have this big move up, flag, and I think if we take out these highs, I think that is a proper trend reversal, and I think we go then into a new era, right? And look, I mean, there's a lot of ifs and buts there. But what we care about is opportunities to trade. And so right now, the way I'm looking at this is that we've hit the bottom of the channel. We've got this flag formation. And even though we've got this rejection bar, it's not a surprise that we've rejected, right? That's not surprised me. Now, what I'm looking for is, well, where do we go next? Well, I've kind of got this market angle here. And, you know, the markets love to go back to the Fibonacci levels, okay? And if I just kind of make this a little bit bigger, and typically speaking, when a market creates this first thrust up and then retraces, it will typically go to the 618 or the 786. Now, let me show you where that is. In fact, I'll show you with the pen. The 618 is here. We've just gone past that. The 786 is here. And look how it's literally on our market angle line. Now, let me give you that level, guys. Let me give you that level. That level is right there, okay? That is 130.50. Now, we already called pretty much the bottom at 130. Now, is this going to be the test and then the move up? Now, if it is going to do that, what we are interested as traders is the next swing. So basically what I'm going to be looking for is enter, stop below, you know, these lows, and, you know, and I'm already long, by the way. I managed to buy, you know, just above 130, but I'm looking to get in again. Okay. So I've scaled some of my profits out, but I still have some position in, and I'm then looking for a move to at least the 618. Now, this here would make a lot of sense. That would take us to these lows and look perfectly to that channel line. And really, this is going to be a new key point. And that, guys, is about a 500 pip opportunity. And so if we break and close below here, this trade is invalid. And we could still look for a potential double bottom, but at this point, I will then review and make that kind of decision. Okay, that's what I wanted to cover today, guys. It's a nice short video, but hopefully the most important thing is hopefully you're picking things up and you're adding these kind of ideas to your own trading stance, because it's very, very important, guys, that you follow your own rules, you develop your own rules, because that's the only way you're going to make consistent money in trading. If you're not doing that and you're trying to copy someone else, well, unfortunately, you're going to keep struggling. You know, so I really, really advise you to take the time to develop your own strategy, work with a team if you can, but most importantly, practice, practice, practice so you can perfect it. All right, guys, I hope that you enjoyed that. Please comment below this video and like the video. We'd really appreciate it. I hope that helps you guys out. Otherwise, have a great day. Good trading. Catch you again soon. Take care.